hear from Professor Supantha Pandit on how DAU's M.Sc Data Science program builds industry-ready skills through projects and real-world exposure.
My name is Supantha Pandit. I am the M.Sc Data Science coordinator at DAU. The M.Sc Data Science program is one of the flagship program. It is basically it's a 2-year program, that is 4-semester program, and this program is designed for build a strong foundation on mathematics, programming, statistics, machine learning and data ethics and foundations. The goal is to not only analyze the real world data, but we train you to actually build the data driven solution for industry, research and for any government jobs. Okay, so why you can study M.Sc Data Science at DAU? The program is basically, it is structured as core courses, elective courses and then some projects. It is basically theory heavy course, also practical courses, system oriented applied courses are there, and there are some internship projects are also there. So theory heavy courses like mathematics, data structure, algorithms, statistics are foundation courses, optimization are foundation courses, and there are applied courses like machine learning, data engineering, and then there are projects are there. So we have minor projects are there, and then we have a semester long major project where students can get exposure from industry by their own. Along with that, they have value-added courses designed for particularly this course where industry expert comes and train you, and they sometimes hire you from there itself. And the eligibility for this course is basically if someone has mathematics background in 12th standard, then he or she can eligible for this course. Normally the background is mathematics, statistics, economics, physics or engineering background like IT, CS or ECE. So the job roles for this is basically people can go to industry where they can be a data scientist, data engineer, machine learning engineer. Sometimes surprisingly people are nowadays they are going to software engineering industry where financial sector as well, where they can deal with real life data. So recently we have seen in our placement activities that lot of students are going to financial sector. Our students are there well placed in across different companies. Last year we have a very good campus placements where students get package of around 18 to 21 lakhs, and their median salary is around 6 to 7 lakhs per annum.